For this recipe, you'll need eggs, milk, butter, vegetable oil, whipped cream, food coloring, and waffle batter. First, we'll start by pouring 2 cups of waffle batter into a bowl. After, you'll add 1/3 cups of milk and 1 egg. You're going to start to stir until you don't see any more lumps. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and stir again. Next, pour the batter into 5 separate bowls. Add food coloring into each bowl so at the end you'll have red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Carefully pour the batter into pastry bags. Next, cut the tip of the pastry bag and butter your waffle maker. You're going to want to squeeze each batter onto the waffle maker in the order of red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. After it's done cooking, you're going to cut your waffle in half and add whipped cream on the bottom as clouds. Enjoy your rainbow waffles!